The question is, which of the following is not a characteristic of a software? The four options are availability, maintainability, usability, and efficiency. In this case, the correct answer would be the availability, because availability is not a characteristic of a software. All the other three options here, maintenance, usability, and efficiency, are the characteristics of a software. A software product is maintainable if errors can be easily corrected as and when they show up, where new functions can be easily added to the product and the functionalities of the product can easily be modified. That is the maintainability characteristics of a software. Now, what is the usability characteristics of a software? A software has good usability if different categories of users can easily invoke the functions of the product. That is the usability characteristics of a software. And a software product is efficient if it is able to perform all the necessary functions it is destined to perform without any fault. So maintainability, usability, and efficiency all are some characteristics of a software, but availability is not any characteristics of a software. So availability will be the answer for this question.